we've established a bit of what we already know. What are your questions that you want to know, that you don't understand, that you need clarification on the PBL process?
Best practices for the Common Core. How to integrate.
That's right.
I got a couple. I want some new project ideas
Okay.
and some technology questions on how to make some of the projects happen. So, kind of looking at potential one-to-one pilot and what would be the best, that type of thing.
So like what device?
Yeah.
Okay.
But also just kind of different technology questions through the whole process.
Like if they're good programs for like iPads and things that would be beneficial. Like
Yeah, and
if
how
we're
to-
doing videos or something, if you guys have found that, oh, this program works really well.
We're doing a video PBL project within the next few weeks. So we've got to get some hardware and software to kind of make some of that happen. Some questions on that. And group setup questions. And
Well, and we have some, part of our need to know is that some of our group is really starting from square one, and so they need to know all of it and kind of be brought up to speed with our two experts in our building. Now, how do we bring the rest of them up and catch them up?
So you guys are probably feeling pretty good about the basics, but other people in the room are more take me from step one.
Yeah.
That's fair.
I think the biggest thing will be just the basics of it and then how to best incorporate it into the Common Core.
Because we're using the MESA curriculum. I don't know if you're familiar
The what
with
curriculum?
The MESA curriculum, which is the Michigan Association Superintendent. It's a curriculum they put together using the Common Core.
I'm not familiar with that.
Okay. How do we integrate basically a standardized curriculum or a standard curriculum, but yet we want to move to PBL, and how do we stay true to both pieces?
This is where I hate being recorded, Ron. There's things I want to say right now.
And if that's impossible, then how do we bring back?
I can't speak to that particular curriculum side because I don't know it. But what I can assure you is that my partner Andy and myself use Common Core straight up and implement it. So we can talk lots about that. Other questions, particularly if this is new to you, let's get some of your questions too so we don't overlook things that are your burning needs to know. Okay.
What is it?
No, pretty much,
What is
just
it?
the basics.
Okay. So the framework maybe.
Yeah. Framework fundamentals.
And some a list of expectations, like behavior expectations, how they fit in, because it is a different format. If that makes sense.
Mm-hmm.
I'd just like to kind of see what you guys have for some of that too.
So I'm going to point out that this is a living document. So if you have a need to know that comes up later today or next week, we can add it on to this, and we'll come back to this. So this isn't a done deal here. At any time during our project here, as we're going through, we'll be referencing back to this and coming back to it with any other questions that we have.